Okay, this is how to put an extra long part in a medium to small bead blaster and still get it bead blasted. This part will not fit in there anyway, except take the glove, take your hand out of it, grab the inside, pull the glove through, take your part. This happens to be a 3-wheeler axle. Put it in there like so. You can still grab the part out here and spin it right-handed like most people are, and start bead blasting.